The world was holding its breath, because if one number on a screen turned the wrong way, 3 men would never come home. July 1969. In Houston, the room is dim, lit by rows of glowing consoles. Cigarette smoke hangs in the air like fog. Headsets press into tired ears. Coffee goes cold. The voices are calm, almost too calm, because panic would spread faster than any signal. Up above, a tiny craft called Apollo 11 is falling towards something no human has ever touched. The moon. Not a shining coin in the sky, but a desert of gray dust, sharp rock, and silence so complete it feels alive. Inside, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins are packed into metal and wiring, their lives balanced on math, fuel, and faith. Then the landing begins. The lunar module, Eagle, drops like a stone. Alarms explode into the headset, bright, sharp, relentless. In mission control, heads snap up. Fingers fly over checklists. A flight controller whispers a verdict. Another answers with the words everyone needs to hear, "We're go." But the moon isn't cooperating. The computer is steering them toward a boulder-strewn crater, an invisible trap. Fuel is draining fast. The clock is ticking in seconds, not minutes. Armstrong takes manual control. His gloved hands move with a surgeon's precision, guiding the Eagle across the surface like a helicopter skimming treetops. Except there are no treetops. It's only unforgiving rock. 30 seconds. Dust erupts beneath the engine, turning the ground into a storm. The module shudders, the radio crackles, and then, almost softly, Armstrong's voice cuts through the chaos. "Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed." For a moment, the whole planet exhales, but the most dangerous part still waits outside the hatch. Hours later, Armstrong squeezes into his suit, checks his oxygen, and opens the door. The ladder is narrow. The void below is deeper than fear. He backs down slowly, boot hovering above history. In the black sky, Earth hangs like a blue marble, fragile, impossibly far. His foot presses into powder that hasn't been touched in billions of years. The dust doesn't bounce. It yields, like ash, and a human voice becomes the first to echo on another world. One small step for man. One giant leap for mankind. Not a conquest, a confession, that we are small, and we still dared to reach. If this story gave you chills, tap like, share it with someone who loves big dreams, subscribe for more unforgettable moments, and comment. Where were you, if you can imagine it, when the world first touched the moon?